Here comes the last episode of our garden makeover series. In the first part of this video, we're going to make a beaded clay tassel. Then we're going to style the whole outdoor space. This episode is in collaboration with loom.lb. You can pause the video, go check their Instagram page, then come back. First, roll the air-dry clay. Then cut it evenly into small squares. Roll each square to form the beads, using water to smooth out the surface. I rolled about 16 beads in total. Using a skewer, pierce each bead and remove the extra clay. Repeat the process from the other side to have a clear hole. It's a messy job, but I'm sure the results will be great. Leave the beads for like 24 hours to dry out. Then polish the surface using a sanding paper. Now it's the time to assemble the tassel. I used jute rope and added small wood beads in between each clay bead. You can do whatever design you like. I tied both ends together and inserted 3 medium-sized wood beads. Tied the rope again to secure in place. Then I added another wood bead, but this one will be all covered. Roll a jute rope on a cardboard. When you get the desired thickness, cut the rope from one side of the cardboard. Repeat the process 4 times. Form a U-shape with each bundle of ropes and try to make them as even as possible. Group each 2 together and insert one into the other like so. Flip one bundle. Take the bottom portion, gather it together and thread it through the loop. Then take the upper portion and thread it through the other loop to make a square. Thread the clay garland we created into the hole. Then tighten the knot evenly around the last wood bead. Last thing last, gather all the ropes and tie a knot around them. Moving to the styling part of this video. We started by sanding our palettes to make the seats. Positioned them in place, then went on with a layer of white paint. We did the same for the table we created last year. First started with primer, then 2 coats of white paint. We hanged everything from the lights to the hammock. To create our seating area, I covered the mattress with a beige textile. To add a bit of dimension, I layered it with a crochet throw. Then I placed my H&M pillows to get the layered nude look. Added these raffia big coasters to contrast the beige, and also these raffia chairs I covered with beige seats so they'll become more comfortable. To style the table in a light way, I laid the clay bead tassel we created together in a wooden bowl, added this cacti plant and a cute candle. Finally, styling the seating area cannot be done without this beige macrame wall art created by loom.lb. Adding throws, pillows, and mats in the outdoor space makes it more cozy and inviting. Last thing we created is this outdoor sink where we hanged our mirror and some beautiful plants. That's it for the series. I hope you liked the whole space. Soon we'll be back creating together more cool stuff. Stay tuned!